UPABO Target 2025 MCQs, Episode 26, Question 1. An advocate is instructed by another advocate that an important witness is a dacoit. Whether this is a reasonable ground for asking the witness that he is a dacoit or not. A. Yes. B. No. C. Maybe. D. None of the above. Answer A. Explanation. Section 152. Question not to be asked without reasonable grounds. Illustration. A. An advocate is instructed by another advocate that an important witness is a dacoit. This is a reasonable ground for asking the witness whether he is a dacoit. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 2. According to Section 143 of BSA 2023, what shall be the order of examination? A. Examination in chief, cross-examination and re-examination. B. Cross-examination, re-examination and examination in chief. C. Examination in chief, re-examination and cross-examination. Or D. No prescribed order. Answer A. Explanation. Section 143, Order of Examinations. Subsection 1. Witnesses shall be first examined in chief, then if the adverse party so desires, cross-examined, then if the party calling him so desires, re-examined. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 3. The rule of construction. Nocitur associae means A. The meaning of the word is to be judged by the company it keeps. B. To reconcile incompatibility between the specific and general words. C. No word on a statute is superfluous. D. None of the above. Answer A. Explanation. Nocitur associae means the meaning of a word is to be judged by the company it keeps. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Question 4. The court may, in its discretion, permit the person who calls a witness to put any question to him which might be put in cross-examination by the adverse party under A. Section 154 of BSA, B. Section 153 of BSA, C. Section 155 of BSA, or D. Section 157 of BSA. Answer D. Explanation. Section 157. Question by party to his own witness. 1. The court may, in its discretion, permit the person who calls a witness to put any question to him, which might be put in cross-examination by the adverse party. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Question 5. Under which provision of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 states that the Indian Evidence Act 1872, 1 of 1872 is hereby repealed? A. Section 169 subsection 1, B. Section 170 subsection 2, C. Section 170 subsection 1, or D. Section 169 subsection 2. Answer C. Explanation. Section 170 subsection 1 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 expressly provides that the Indian Evidence Act 1872, 1 of 1872 is hereby repealed. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Question 6. Section 130 of BSA 2023 provides for privilege in respect of A. Professional communication, B. Official communication, C. Communication as to information of commission of offence, or D. None of the above. Answer B. Explanation. Section 130 Official Communications. No public officer shall be compelled to disclose communications made to him in official confidence when he considers that the public interests would suffer by the disclosure. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Question 7. Privilege in respect of husband and wife under Section 128 of BSA 2023 relates to A. Question which a witness cannot be compelled to answer. B. Question which a witness cannot be permitted to answer. C. Both A and B, or D. Only B and not A. Answer C. Explanation. Section 128 Communications during marriage. No person who is or has been married shall be compelled to disclose any communication made to him during marriage by any person to whom he is or has been married, nor shall he be permitted to disclose any such communication unless the person who made it or his representative in interest consents, except in suits between married persons or proceedings in which one married person is prosecuted for any crime committed against the other. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Question 8. An accomplice is a competent witness. A. Under Section 133 of BSA 2023. B. Under Section 138 of BSA 2023. C. Under Section 137 of BSA 2023. Or D. under Section 139 of BSA 2023? Answer B. Explanation. Section 138, accomplice. An accomplice shall be a competent witness against an accused person, and a conviction is not illegal if it proceeds upon the corroborated testimony of an accomplice. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Question 9. As per the provision of BSA 2023, examination in chief of a witness, A. shall be by the party calling the witness, B. shall be by the adverse party, C. both A and B, D. either A or B. Answer A. Explanation. Section 142, examination of witnesses. Subsection 1. The examination of a witness by the party who calls him shall be called his examination in chief. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Practice question. As per the provisions of the Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam 2023, for providing any relevant fact, how many witnesses are required? A. At least 2 witnesses. B. At least 1 witness. C. No particular number of witnesses is required. Or D. At least 3 witnesses.